Learning slides. Numbers 0 through 10. Repeat. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's count backwards. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What number is it? Eight. What number is it? 5. What number is it? 10. What number is it? 5. 4. 2. 10. 8. 6. Now, let's guess what number is missing. Ready? What number is missing from 0 to 10? 4. What number is missing? 7. What number is missing? 5. Ready for the ultimate challenge? What number is it? 'Use this free guide to practice. See the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. For more resources to learn English, check out www.alphabetspace.com.